Saturday, July 12th, 2025. It's a Sequim Valley Car Club's picnic at Sandy Key's barn. With all the classics here, what a beautiful day this is. Can't wait to browse the cars. Here's some beauties. This place is like a museum. Many of these cars are not restored. Pace cars. Gentleman there with the red t-shirt is Sandy Key's mechanic. He keeps all these cars running with the benefit of driving them. Wow, this is really something. Amazing. What a collection. Now here's a classic barbecuer. Oh my, look at this. I'm ready.
They're getting there.
They are. Some nice tables here set up. People ready to enjoy a barbecue picnic. More vehicles have arrived. It's a good thing there's 3 acres of parking. Unlimited video opportunity here. It's hard to know where to start and where to stop. Oh, there's Diane.
So we knew right where it was.
Not knowing what was inside though.
No idea what was inside this big barn.
Running out of room here. Comes with convertible. I wish I knew what year and what make and model, but I think it's a here's our goodies. Maybe we need to go out and get the meat first, Diane.
Not your name, of course, but I think. Beauties, huh?
Oh, I tell you, right now the sun hitting all those colors are just amazing. Here's some artistic use of golf balls. This guy wants to see more people.